Alright, we're here in the park. This is Hatch's Park. Snow's coming down pretty good. I don't know how well you can see it on this camera. Hey, bud, come here! Here it comes. Hey, hey, come say hi to the camera. Hey, come here. Right here. Right here. Hey, right here. Come here. Sit down. Hey, what do you think of the snow? We're conducting an interview. What do you think? Huh? Hey. Hatch says this shit is fucking cool, man. He likes it. Alright, go, get out of here. Go, go, go. And there he goes. Alright. Reporting from the sculpture park. Can't even, through those trees, you'd normally be able to see the island of Manhattan. We're near whiteout conditions, so you can't. Alright, bye.